Want to create a BeReal account but don't know where to start? Here are some instructions you can follow. First, open up the BeReal app. Have a read through the information and then click Get Started. Second, BeReal will then request for your name. Type in your name using the keyboard and then click Continue. Third, BeReal will request for your birthday to ensure you are old enough. Type in your date of birth using the format and then click Continue. Fourth, BeReal would then create your account using your phone number. Bear in mind that there can only be one account per phone number. By tapping Continue, you agree to the privacy policy and terms of services. Last, you would have received the code to the given number. Enter the code to continue. Once the code is successful, you would have officially created a BeReal account. Congratulations! Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to support our channel.